Hello from Kiev. It is December of 2025. It's 6 o'clock in the morning, and the lighting is not good because we don't have electrical power today. Today, our job is to put together in the dark care packages for guys at the front. It's cold and it is dark, and keeping your morale up at the front is really, really hard right now. So we're going to help the guys with the kind of stuff that a soldier needs. Helping us today will be my faithful assistant, Zhuzhik, the world's best trench dog. I really love to do this because it reminds me of a very fond childhood memory. My Uncle John immigrated to the United States at the age of 17, promptly joined the army, and was sent to Korea. Where he lived through things that we didn't even hear about until right before his death, when he was interviewed by a documentarian. During the Vietnam War, I remember him taking us kids shopping to buy things for care packages for soldiers in Vietnam. And it was things like canned nuts and cigarettes and things like that, just the little comforts from home that help you to keep your spirits up. I love doing that. I love the idea that we were doing it for somebody who we did not know and who did not know us, but that we were going to do something nice for a total stranger. When I was a kid, I thought it was beautiful, and now I think it's beautiful too. So here we are, ready to assemble things. We've got a lot of stuff for the guys, including books and all kinds of goodies, just things that are useful. We'll put our bags together here. We're going to start with things that don't just make you feel good, they keep you alive, with good pairs of winter socks. And I have a bunch of different options for gloves of various and sundry weight. I try to get different colors so that I'm not sending 10 guys in one squad the exact same glove, in which case, they're all going to get mixed up and nobody's going to know whose gloves are whose. Everything that I send out has something attached to it so that the recipient knows that this didn't come from an anonymous government warehouse or something, that there was some person who was thinking about you and who actually did something, a human who made this get to another human being. So, for example, on these socks, it says, "From a veteran for a soldier." On these socks, it says, "From an American veteran, vid amerikanskoho veterana." And if Zhuzhik could talk, he would say something too, I'm sure. It seems that he does not want to say hello right now. Of course, I would like to think that that's because he's trying to keep a better eye on the carabiners that are going in these bags. If you're on a Ukrainian army base, you probably have some soldiers, mother or widow, cooking for you, and the food can be pretty good, actually. At the front, it's a really different story. Guys love to get things to add to their food, and that's what we have here. So now that we have some light, you get to see the finished project. This is bags full of all the stuff that we talked about, a couple of books, The Body Keeps the Score, a classic book about physical treatment for PTSD, and finally a bag full of all those little things that you need out there, ranging from a bunch of different kinds of epoxy to phone chargers, extra batteries, and cough drops. Because if there's one thing in life you don't want to have happen, it's that you show up for guard duty in the middle of the night and you start coughing. So Zhuzhik thanks you. I thank you. The guys at the receiving end of this thank you, and I'm sure their mothers do too, because you're going to help keep their guys warm, taken care of, and knowing that somebody's thinking about them. So, Slava Ukraini, God bless America. Zhuzhik, sweetie boy, як ти хороший, ти знаєш про це? Ти знаєш, що ти найкращий хлопець у світі. This didn't come from everything that I